Welcome to JH. Disbursements.com claims to be an online platform that helps users receive settlement payments, prepaid cards, and digital disbursements from lawsuits. It sounds incredibly helpful, like finding money in an old coat pocket, but we really need to ask if this platform is actually legit or just a very professional-looking mirage. Let's dive in and break it all down. So make sure you watch until the end before you hand over any personal info. First, let's talk about their social media presence, or rather, the absolute void where it should be. We tried to find the company on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram, but there was nothing, no posts, no engagement, and no sign of life whatsoever. It's a bit worrying because social media is usually how we verify that a company isn't just three raccoons in a trench coat. Without it, tracking real user experiences becomes a game of digital hide-and-seek that nobody wants to play. The concerns continue with the founder information, which is currently classified as none of your business. There is zero information about who started the company or who is running the show. And as we all know, nothing screams trustworthy like a faceless corporation handling your legal settlements. To make matters worse, their customer support is limited to a single email address. There's no phone number, no live chat, and no physical address, which is a great setup if you enjoy shouting into a void and hoping for an automated reply. When it comes to reviews, the feedback on sites like Trustpilot is a bit of a train wreck. Many users reported serious issues, like receiving prepaid cards that didn't work and getting total radio silence from support after multiple attempts. Some users have gone as far as calling it a scam due to technical glitches and a lack of help. On the bright side, a few people did manage to get their payments via PayPal using codes from their lawyers, though fees often applied. So while there are a few success stories, the overall experience is about as reliable as a chocolate teapot. Given the missing transparency and poor support, we'd suggest proceeding with extreme caution. Thanks for watching till the end. If this helped you, don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and updates.